Okay guys, let's have a short video and short discussion about sample consolidation. And it's really important that before you launch any product and you deal with any supplier, you should check samples. Okay, you should analyze sample from both sides. Whichever competitor you have selected on Amazon, you should order a sample from there, and the same time you should order samples from your suppliers as well that you have shortlisted. So before starting negotiation with the supplier, we need to check their samples of the suppliers that we have shortlisted. So we will order samples from the supplier and as well from the competitor. But in most cases, when the samples are shipped from China to your country, wherever you are, so the Chinese, you will be charged a lot, because every supplier will be sending those samples individually and separately. So the courier cost will be so much. For each sample there will be different separate cost that you will be paying. So for that, what we do consolidation of samples. And what is consolidation of samples? In this process we cut our courier costs. Let's check what is consolidation. Sending multiple parcels from one place within China as our own address. Basically, there is a company, TipTrans. You can use any of your relative or any of your friend as well who is there in China. So you can ask those suppliers to send all of those samples at one address, if it's address of your relative, or in case if you don't have someone there. So you can go on TipTrans. You can just try TipTrans on Google and you will see their website. So you can purchase an address there on TipTrans, and after that you can give that address as your home address to the suppliers. So supplier will send all of those samples at that address of TipTrans that you have purchased. And in most of the cases, the China suppliers provide free shipping and free sample if you are asking them to deliver that sample at any address of China. So once all of those samples are arrived at your relative address inside the China, or on the address of TipTrans, so all of the samples will be shown in your account in TipTrans in this way, that the supplier samples have arrived and these are the supplier samples, and they will be giving you all the information. So now what will happen? The TipTrans will send all of those samples. They will make 1 carton of those samples and they will send it to you to your own country, right? So in this way the courier cost has been cut down, right? Before they were coming to you at your home address at your country with the separate shipping charges. Every supplier was charging you shipping charges, but in this case now all of those are at one place and they will be sent to you in 1 carton. So it will not cost as before it was becoming a big amount, right? So in this way we consolidate the samples and we cut down our courier cost and achieve our goals.